My dear students, welcome to your favorite channel English Learning Assam. I think you are well at your home and your preparation is going on in full swing for the upcoming examination. Like other days, today I bring a new topic for you. This topic is a question paper of pre-test or pre-final examination 2021 subject English class HS second year. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি মই তোমালোকৰ আগত প্ৰি টেষ্টৰ এখন কোশ্চিন পেপাৰ লৈ আহিছোঁ। আশা কৰোঁ এই কোশ্চিন পেপাৰখনে তোমালোকৰ অহা প্ৰি ফাইনেল ফাইনেল এক্সামিনেশ্যনত সহায়ক হ'ব, কিয়নো এই কোশ্চিন পেপাৰখন এজ পাৰ আসাম হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডেৰী এডুকেশ্যন কাউন্সিলৰ নিৰ্দেশ মতে তৈয়াৰ কৰা হৈছে। গতিকে তোমালোকে এই প্ৰয়োজনীয় ভিডিঅ'টো স্কিপ নকৰি প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈ চাবা। আৰু এই কোশ্চিন পেপাৰখনৰ মই যিখিনি মুখে মুখে আনচাৰ দিব পৰা যায় সেইখিনি আনচাৰো মই তোমালোকক দি দিম। অ'কে, আৰু বাকীখিনিও মই পৰ্যায়ক্ৰমে আনচাৰ কৰি দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম আৰু তোমালোকেও ঘৰত এইখিনি আনচাৰ কৰিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিবা। ঠিক আছে, কোশ্চিন পেপাৰখন লোৱা হৈছে দৰং ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ পৰা। ইয়াতে কি আছিলে, প্ৰি ফাইনেল এক্সামিনেশ্যন 2021। ইয়াতে এজ পাৰ আসাম হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডেৰী এডুকেশ্যন কাউন্সিলৰ গাইডলাইন মতে তৈয়াৰ কৰা হৈছে। অ'কে, বলা এতিয়া আমি মূল কোশ্চিন পেপাৰলৈ যাওঁ। টাইম আছিলে 3 hours. The figures in the margin indicate full marks for the questions. Question number 1, section A, reading skill 10 marks. Question number 2, 3 and 4, section B, advanced writing skill 25. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, section C, grammar 20 marks. Question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, section D, textbooks 45 marks, total 100 marks. তোমালোকৰ এই কোশ্চিন পেপাৰখনত তোমালোকে কি পাবা যে হুবহু তোমালোকৰ অহা যিটো এইচএছ ফাইনেল ইয়াৰত যিটো কোশ্চিন আহিব ইংলিছৰ, সেই কোশ্চিন পেপাৰ একেই, জাষ্ট কোশ্চিনবিলাক কি হ'ব, চেঞ্জ হ'ব। অ'কে, ঠিক আছে। সেকশন এ, রিডিং স্কিলস 10 marks. Question number 1, read the following passages carefully. Para 1, the role of friends play in our lives has become significantly greater than at any other time in our history. Today, many of us live and work at great distance from where we were born or grew up and are separated from our original families. The pain we feel when we are away from our families can be significant. Now, prior to the happiness of the individual relies on friendships which form a necessary human conceptions. It is perfectly normal to need and want friends, and depression is more prevalent among those who lack friends. They lack the intimacy and richness friends can bring into our lives. Frequently, friends reflect similar values to us, yet these values are often different from the ones we grew up with. They are the values we created for ourselves in our adult lives. Now, para 3. Communication skills are fundamental in all friendships. The more friends and acquaintance one has, the greater are one's communication skills. Some call these people skills. Para 4. Like watering a plant, we grow our friendships and all our relationships by nurturing them. Friendships need the same attention as other relationships if they are to continue. This relationship can be delightfully non-judgment, supportive, understanding, and fun. Para 5. Sometimes a friendship can bring out the positive side that you never show in any other relationship. This may be because the pressure of playing a role, daughter, parents, and child, is removed. With a friend, you are to be yourself and free to sense. Of course, you are free to do this in all other relationships as well, but in friendships you get to have lots of rehearsals and discussions about changes as you experience them. It is an unconditional experience where you receive as much as you give. You can explain yourself to a friend openly without the fear of hurting a family member. How do friendship now? The answer is simple. By relieving yourself, being attentive, remembering what is continued. What is most important to your friend and asking them about it, putting and yourself in their position, showing empathy, seeing the world through the eyes of your friend, you will understand the value of friendship. All this means learning to accept a person from a completely different family to you, your own, or perhaps someone from a completely different cultural background. This is the way we learn tolerance. In turn, we gain tolerance and acceptance for our own difference. Para 6. Friendships are made by being considerate, to which mean all the communication skills come into play: active listening skills, questioning skills, negotiation skills, reflecting content skills, reflecting emotion skills, and editing yourselves. 7. Friendships offers a great opportunity to learn about yourself, because a friend can reflect back to your how you come across in the world. They also allow you to practice skills in dealing with personal boundaries by looking after yourself as well as your friend. They help you develop resilience, resilience in relation to the wider social world beyond your family. On the basis of your reading of the passage, answer the following questions. A. Why do friends play a more significant role today than ever before? 2 number. B. Why is friendship considered as essential human need? 1 number. C. How is friendship differ from other relationship? 2 number. D. Mention 2 essential human values that help friendship to grow. 2. E. Which communication skills helped in building friendship? 2. Pick out the word from the passage which means basic or essential. Eto hobo ki fundamental. 1 number asil eto answer hobo fundamental. Okay. Section B. Advanced writing skill 25 marks. Question number 2. You are Promila or Priyam, the sports secretary of Kokrajhar, write a notice suitable for your school notice board giving the details for the participations of students in a football tournament to be organized by your school. Word limit 50 words. 5 number. Or write a poster not more than 50 words stressing the need for improving the physical health of the students for a better and happier life. 5. Question number 3. You are an eyewitness to a road accident in which a school-going boy was killed and many passengers were injured. As a press reporter of the Assam Tribune, write a report about the accident in 100 to 125 words. You are Aisha or Sanjay. 10 marks. Or you recently visited some flood-affected area of Dhemaji district. As a press reporter of an English daily, write a report on the flood situation in 100 to 125 words. You are Amar or Nitu. 10 marks. 4. You are Ranjan or Ranjana. They have come across an advertisement in a local daily regarding a situation vacant for the post of assistant teacher in a school at Jorhat. Write an application to the headmaster of the school submitting your candidature for the same. Mention other relevant details. 10 marks. Or you are Gautam or Gargi living at 12 Hillview Colony, Dibrugarh. There are frequent power cuts and voltage fluctuations in your area, causing great inconvenience to its residents. Write a letter to the editor of the Sentinel drawing attention of the authorities concerned to the problem. 10 marks. Continued. Section C. Grammar 20 marks. Question 5. Change the form of the narration of the following sentences. 2 into 2 equal to 4. A. The traveler said to the peasant, "Can you tell me the way to the nearest inn?" "Yes," said the peasant. এইটো কিহত আছে? ডাইরেক্ট নেৰেশ্যনত আছে। আমি এইটো কি কৰিব লাগে? ইনডাইৰেক্টত ল'ব লাগে। এইটো কি হ'ব? চাচোন ক্যান কুড দি এইবিলাক দি যদি কোশ্চেন কৰে তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ব? যে the traveler asked the peasant if he could tell him the way to the nearest inn. আকৌ কি দিব লাগিব? the peasant replied that he could. The peasant replied that he could. B number. The teacher asked the student if he had prepared the lesson? He replied that he had not. এটো কি ইনডাইরেক্ট ন্যারেশনত আছে, ডাইরেক্টত লব লাগে। The teacher said to the students, have you prepared the lesson? He replied, or he said, no, I have not. এইখিনি উর্দু কুমার ভিতর দিব লাগিব, জানাই সেইখিনি, মই খালি জাস্ট আনসারখিনি কৈ দিছো। ওকে, 6 number, change the voice of any three of the following. 1 into 3 equal to 3. Following sentences. Okay, change the voice of any three of the following sentences. A, the coach is training the player. এটো কি হবো? Active voice আছে, the players are being trained by the coach. B, he told me a story. এটো ডাবল অবজেক্ট আছে, যিকোনো এটা কইলে হবো। A story was told me by him, or I was told a story by him. Okay, C নম্বরত কি হবো? I have lost my pen. কি? My pen has been lost. Okay, D, the letter were being delivered by a postmaster. এটো কি? পেসিভ ভয়েসত আছে, এটো কি লব? কি লিখিব লাগিব? A postman was delivering the letter. এই নম্বরটা কি আছে? He was allowed 5 minutes to go. কি? We allow him to 5 minutes to go. Okay, ready. F number, she is known to me, to us. We know her. Okay, to 2 dise verb to. Question number 7. Question number 7 hal rewrite any 5 of the following sentences using the verbs given in brackets in their correct tense forms. 1 into 5 equal to 5. A, Mr. Borua leave for Europe last Friday. ইয়াতে লাস্ট আছে, গতিকে ফার্স্ট ইনডিফিনিট হবো। Mr. Borua left for Europe last Friday. B, he come here every Monday. ইয়াতে কি আছে? কাম আছে, এটো এভরি আছে, গতিকে he comes here every Monday. C, we live in this town for 2 years. কি হবে? ইয়াতে for আছে, for 2 years. Present perfect continuous tense হবে, we have been living in this village, in this town for 2 years. D, I work in the garden when he came. When আছে, he came আছে, past indefinite আছে, to past continuous হবে, I was working in the garden when he came. E, I already post the letter. Already আছে, গতিকে present perfect tense, I have already posted the letter হবে। F, if I be you, I would not do that. We be আছে, আর কি হবে? If I were you, I would not do that. G, he stay here until he returns. এটো until you return present indefinite আছে, গতিকে এটো past in future indefinite হবো, he will stay here until you return. H, his father died before the doctor arrived. এটো past indefinite আছে আর before আছে, গতিকে past perfect হবো, his father had died before the doctor arrived. Now come to question 8. Okay, rewrite any 4 of the following sentences filling in the blanks with appropriate preposition. 1 into 4 equal to 4. The train arrived dash the platform a minute ago. Arrived at hobo, platform agot at bohe, the train arrived at the platform a minute ago. The children were looking forward dash their visit to Kaziranga. The children were looking forward to hobo, forward or pisot to hoy. I met him dash the road. I meet him in on the road. You are not interested dash your story. Interested in হয়. He is fond dash playing card. Fond of. He is fond of playing card. Who is responsible dash breaking the mirror. Responsible for হয়. Who is responsible for breaking the mirror. G. What is the time dash your watch now. What is the time by your watch now. Ito by ito ekore প্রায় আহা কোশ্চিন. ওকে, নাও কাম টু কোশ্চিন নাম্বার 9. 9ত কি আছে, রিরাইট এনি 4 অফ দি সেন্টেন্সেস অ্যাজ ডিরেক্টেড 1 into 4 equal to 4. কলকাতা এ, কলকাতা ইজ দ্য মোস্ট পপুলার সিটি ইন ইন্ডিয়া চেঞ্জ ইনটু কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রি. যেটু কি হবো, কলকাতা ইজ মোর পপুলাস দেন এনি আদার সিটি ইন India. B. No other boy is as intelligent as Raju. Change into superlative degree. এটু কি হবো, Raju is the most intelligent boy. Okay. C. You are richer than I. Make it negative without changing the meaning. D number. He left no stone unturned. Make it affirmative. তাৰপিছত ই নম্বৰ, unless you work hard you will fail. Make it compound sentence. এইটো কি আছে আপ নম্বৰ, I know where he was born. Change into simple sentence. এইটো কি হ'ব, I know his birthplace. G. I know his name. Turn it into a complex sentence. Complex sentence লব দিছে. ওকে, তেতিয়াহ'লে I know what his name is. ওকে, সো এইখিনি আছিলে গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশন. ওকে, তোমালোকে গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশনৰ কাৰণে মোৰ ভিডিঅ'বিলাক চাব পাৰা. গ্ৰামাৰৰ ভিডিঅ' গোটেইখিনি ভিডিঅ' দি আছে, তাৰ পৰা হয়তো বহুতো কমন পাই যাব পাৰা. ওকে, সেকশন ডি, টেক্সচুৱেল textbooks 45 marks. 10. Read the following extracts and answer the question that follow. A. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doze, open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse. Number 1. Where was the poet driving to? কত ড্রাইভিং করেছিল? The poet was driving to Cochin airport from her mother home. Number 2. What did she notice when her mother sat beside her? On number আছিল, find words from the passage that mean sleep slightly and dead body. Sleep slightly, doze, D-O-Z-E, and এটা corpse, C-O-R-P-S-E. এটা on number আছিল. Number 4. Why was her mother face like that of a corpse? On. Or fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Number 1. Where does the poet expect of the fisherman? 1. While gathering salt, what will the man do? 1. Number 3. What do the hurt hand imply? 4. Find the words from the passage which mean those who catch fish and largest fish. Catch fish হল fisherman, largest fish হল whale. 11. Answer any 3 of the following questions in 30 to 40 words. 2 into 3 equal to 6. What is the exotic movements the poet Pablo Neruda wishes for? B. What will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve. C. What is Pablo Neruda's opinion about different kinds of words? D. Why has the poet brought in the image of the Mary children spilling out of their homes? E. Why was the mother being compared to the late winter's moon? 12. Answer any 5 of the following question. 1 into 5. What did M. Hamel do when he wanted to go fishing? B. What did M. Hamel write at the end of the class? C. Who is the author of the lesson Indigo? D. Who was Rajkumar Shukla? E. Where was Sampuran? F. Who is the Sota Sahib in the memories of a Sota Sahib? G. Where did John Rontry and his family make their first home at Guwahati? H. Name the book from which Memories of a Sota Sahib is taken. Question 13. Answer any 5 in 30 to 40 words. 2 into 5 equal to 10. A. Why did little Franz want to spend his day out of door? B. What are M. Hamel's view about French language? C. Why was the lesson called the last lesson? D. Why do you think Gandhi considered the Sampran episode to be a turning point in his life? E. Why did Gandhi choose to go to Muzaffarpur first before going to Sampran? F. Give a brief description of the Peacock Island. G. What is Marbot and how it is operated? Okay. Question number 14. Answer any one of the following questions in 80 to 100 words. 5 into 1 into 5. Give a detailed account of the scene in the classroom on the day of the last lesson. Or describe the exploitation of the indigo sharecroppers by the English landlord. Okay. Did Gandhi help them to get an honorable statement? 15. Question 15. Answer any one of the following questions in 125 to 150 words. 1 into 7 into 7. A. Draw a character sketch of the Tiger King in your own words. Or B. Bhama's experience is that of a victim of the caste system. What kind of discrimination does Zitkala Shah's experience depict? What are their responses to their response to the respective situation? 16. Answer any 4 of the following questions in 30 to 40 words. 2 into 4 equal to 8. A. Who was the Tiger King? Why does he get that name? B. What did the chief astrologer predict about the Tiger King? C. How did Tiger King celebrate the killing of the 100th tiger? D. What was Zitkala Shah's idea regarding short, singled hair? E. When did Bhama experience untouchability? F. What did Annan say about his community to the narrator? So, these are the question paper which is come in pre-final examination আণ্ডাৰ দৰং ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অকে তোমালোকে ঘৰত কোশ্চিন পেপাৰৰ যিখিনি কোশ্চিন দিয়া হৈছে নহয় তোমালোকে ধুনীয়াকৈ উলিয়াবা আৰু মোৰ ভিডিঅ'তে মেক্সিমাম কোশ্চিনৰ আনসাৰ দিয়া আছে গতিকে তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'খিনি চাইও পুৰণি আগৰ যিখিনি দা লাষ্ট লেসন তাৰপিছত মাই মাদাৰ এট 66 কিপিং কোৱাইট এইবিলাকো পঢ়িলেও তোমালোকে কিন্তু আনসাৰখিনি পাবা ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ ফৰ ওয়াচিং